guys, welcome back to my channel Fiestatube. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I'm going to talk about how to use turmeric to treat a variety of skin issues. So this is going to be 100% natural. So using this scrub regularly will give your skin clear complexion. So let's start the video. Start with, take 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Add to this 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric. Now put 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Then add 1 vitamin E capsule. Now you all have to do is mix it all together to form a thick paste. So you are going for a paste-like consistency that will stick to your face without dripping. So apply this face mask using your fingers. Just rub it in circular motion. Both of your hands. Slowly. Be very gentle. You can also do it in zigzag motion. Circular motion. So this is gonna remove all the dead cells from your skin. So guys, trust me, this is gonna work 110%. So I have oily skin and it works wonders for me. So turmeric can help restore your natural glow and treat dark spots, pigmentations, dark circles, and even skin tone and make your skin look bright. So now let it sit for 20 minutes. You can do anything, you can dance, you can read your favorite book, or you can just sing, you can do anything. Rinse your face with normal water and pat it dry with a soft towel. My skin looks so good, healthy, and yeah, I feel buttery soft. So that's all for today. If you think the video was helpful, please hit the like button and share with your friends. I love you all. Bye.